Degree to Garden. Today we have here is the Berry Garden Twin Pack by Vego Garden. This is an amazing double oval shape. If you guys can see that, I will unbox it real quick. Beautiful additional to the garden. Raised garden bed, 17-inch in height, 100% recycled metal, and it's 20 years long, eco-friendly. I will also show you what's in the box, show you how to assemble fast, and how we're gonna fill this up with organic matter for free. See what's inside the box. Came in a nice box. It's very light, and I end up getting the green. What's in the box? These are the panels. You can see a beautiful green. They do have a plastic from the outside, and there's a plastic from the inside, so make sure to take out the plastic. We have the instruction and details and everything step by step, so you could see how easy it is. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. Pretty simple and easy to put together. We have a sticker. These are the rubber ending which goes on the top right here, safety, which is pretty nice. These are all the bolts and nuts, and they also send a tool to screw them. I recommend you guys have a screwdriver too. First step is to remove the plastic from the outside and remove the plastic from the inside. It's easy. Just starts with the edge right here and keep pulling them out. Please recycle the plastic. Do not add this in your garden bed. This is not compost. All right, so after you remove the plastic, the other step is to line them up. We're gonna get 4 panels, and you want to line up the holes. And you can see right here, we got the bolt and the washer and screw and all that. Take the bolt part and put it right through here, right? And then we take the washer, place it from the back, right inside there. Take the bolt, and you just screw it on. All these, you're gonna do hand tighten right through. Before tightening it up, we're gonna make sure we do these steps right through. And so if you look, we have the about 6 bolt and nuts right there. It's really easy, and then you take the tool and you just tighten it up right here like this. What you could do, hold this with your finger if it keeps spinning, or you could use a screwdriver to put it in there so it doesn't turn, and you just tighten this up right through, and we're gonna do the same thing. It's really easy and simple. After screwing everything together, you can see how beautiful it is. Just a couple screws, 4 panels. It's really easy. And next step, we're gonna get the rubber. Just press it in like that, like really easy. See that? Look at that. So this, if you're resting right here, it doesn't like leave a mark on your hand or your body or anything. These are the 2 beautiful baby. Oh my god, look at the picture right there. You could put them anywhere you want, but look at that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna place them exactly where I want them in the garden and then start filling them up. It's beautiful. I'm telling you, the picture doesn't even do it how beautiful these guys are. The good thing about these raised bed, you can't get any bunnies to climb up in there. You get less bugs, no kind of weeds and stuff inside. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to fill this up. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and detail, and use my code to save a lot of money. Before filling, this is their L-shaped bed too. Before filling the bed, find a location that you're going to put it and you're not going to move it, because it's not something that's gonna move easily. So find a location where you're gonna fill it up, and when you're filling up, we're gonna use logs and stuff like that, but you want to make sure you leave about 6 to 8 inches from the top, because that's where you're gonna add all your soil and compost. If you have finished compost, if you don't have finished compost and you have kitchen scrap, you could toss it in. But the reason why I'm using logs gonna give good airflow, good drainage, and then when that breaks down, it's gonna help richen up our soil. Right here I put in 2 pieces of logs, nice and easy at the bottom there. That's gonna give us it build up a lot right there, and we have a lot of extra stuff I'm just gonna be dumping in there. If you have your compost, kitchen scraps, cardboard, paper and stuff, you could dump everything in there. And if you have dry leaves, and you could just toss them all over inside. Filling up the other one, I put a bunch of logs, sticks, and I'm filling up with dry leaves. I'm gonna leave about 6 inches from the top, because this is fall time in New York, and this will the leaves will decompose for next spring. So I'll have enough room to add fresh soil mixed with compost in there. I got these, the L-shaped one, and I got this one right here. You can see how beautiful it is. And I'm gonna water it down, and this will start decomposing. So that's how simple it is to put together a Vego garden bed and fill it up. As a 17-inch high, if you put all soil, you're gonna cost you a lot of money, and then you're not gonna get good airflow, you're not gonna get good drainage. It's not gonna be what I call a super bed. Reason why I put that big log Think about it. With the big log, when you water from the top, it runs between of the log. You get good air and you get good water drainage. And every time, it takes a long time to break down. And every time it's breaking down into small pieces, you power up your soil, make it more organic matter and rich, and you have a healthier plant. In this way, you have a better garden season. Especially here in Long Island, New York, we only have a couple months in gardens, so I try to put everything rich as powerful as it could be, because within that short period of time, we have to grow the plant fast, we have to prune, we have to harvest, we have to make sure everything is good, especially our soil. So this is a good way to add organic matter. And then, as you see, I leave 6 inches from the top empty. I didn't fill it all the way up. That's 6 inches. I'm gonna come back springtime. It's gonna decompose another inch to 2, so leaving me about 8 inches. So I'm gonna mix soil. Sometimes I mix fresh soil, old soil, and compost. Mix all of them up together and then load it in. I'm gonna show you guys next spring how I'm doing it, and you're gonna see how plants are growing super fast, 10 times faster than normal, just regular plain soil. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I really appreciate everybody so far who's been hanging out with me still. And we have a lot more videos coming up. And if you missed any of my video, check in the playlist below. And if you're new, welcome to Green Tea Garden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. And if you subscribe and click the bell icon, you get my video every time I upload it, and it's all free. So I just want to say, and I just want to say happy holidays to you and your family. Be safe and try to have a good time. Life is too short, and enjoy.